Hey everyone, got a couple new BMWs in the collection today. First up, the E46 M3 Touring Concept. Not much of a concept because this is pretty much a production E46 M3. E46 ran from 2001 to 2006, but they never made a touring. And we usually don't get tourings in this country anyway. So this is called a concept, but like I said, this is pretty much a production car down to the production wheels. This is by Otto. So this is sealed resin. It's got a two-tone interior. This would be probably titanium silver is the color. This would have had a S54 is the engine code for the 3.2 liter straight six, known for individual throttle bodies, 333 horsepower. You do not have open mesh. Retail is about $79 if you order direct. Most places have this for about $129. I think we pre-ordered, so this landed to me for about $75–80. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Look at that production number, 4,000. Autos used to be 1,000 or less. Car number 535. Paint's fine. Windows fine. So nothing really too much to talk about on this one. I wish they would have made the car. I wish we'd have gotten in this country. I do have a friend who's made an accurate replica of one in real life. Packaging is your boring Otto white box. There it is. Next up, a little more interesting. This is another M3. This is the F80 generation, so one away from being current. This is opening, diecast by Norev, who's really been killing it lately in terms of quality and subject matter. This isn't black. It's very hard to pick up, but it's a metallic blue. Camera can pick it up a little bit. See it on the fender. It's got a good amount of flop on it. Based on the wheels, I'd say this is a competition. Competitions had, I think, 444 horsepower, S55 twin turbo, 3 liter 6. I think the base cars had 4 1/4. So this looks to be a comp. Closed grills, but a little more expected at this price point. Retail was like 120. This was on sale at Mint Models for $68 and a 15% off coupon, so I think I paid $58. Check out Mint Models every Wednesday. They've got their doorbuster deals. So this was purchased Wednesday a couple weeks ago. Boring black interior. Does have carpet though. I think you can pick that up in the camera. And again, everything opens. I know Otto made this in a couple different colors as sealed resin, but this is nice, good old-fashioned diecast. Even the trunk is carpeted. Here's the engine. Really not too much engine detail. Would have been nice. The real car has a nice carbon fiber chassis brace, strut tower brace, and it would have been nice that the roof would have been carbon fiber. They just kind of made it black, which other companies can make a pretty good facsimile to carbon fiber, so I think Norev can do it too. Relatively nice packaging, good old-fashioned nice open window box. The price has gone back up on Mint Models, so again, check them out every Wednesday or so if you want to get some good deals. That's it for this week. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.